Okay, guys, now I know this is something completely different, something you're not used to seeing from me, but this is why I think Raid Shadow Legends sucks. I have the audio turned off on the game because I'm recording the audio separate on a different mic than my computer right now. So I didn't want like a weird echo feedback delay loop on this thing, but okay, now I was just doing a freaking an arena challenge, and you're going to see this huge discrepancy in my team. Okay, this is the team I'm going to be fighting. Their team power is 39,053. My team power is 76,834. This team just beat me a second ago. And watch, they're going to beat me again. I have it on auto. Even if I had it on manual, it would still kick the crap out of me. Watch this. Or maybe not. What the hell? I swear this team just kicked the crap out of me. Oh yeah, there we go. Watch this shit. Look at this. Look how bad this is. This is ridiculous. I'm getting destroyed by this team that's like, what, over 30,000 power score less than my team? Look at that. I just lost. I sacrificed one of my arena tokens to prove a point that Raid Shadow Legends is completely unbalanced and it's very difficult to play. It's literally one of the worst pay-to-win games there are out there. So if you're ever thinking about playing this game, take it with a grain of salt that if you have a 76,834 power score team, all three of these characters, all their accessories, their armor, everything's up to max level. Some of it's even ascended. And theirs is 39,053, but they kicked the living crap out of my team. And this guy's even one level lower. I'm level 44. This guy's level 43. So there's something seriously wrong with the math in this game. Something seriously wrong. Well, anyways, that's my little video I made about why I think Raid Shadow Legends kind of sucks, because it's completely unbalanced now. Okay, bye.